What are we doing?
Doing our intro.
Am I supposed to say something?
You can.
Okay.
The intro.
Oh, yes. Hey guys, welcome to our final series.
Hey guys, welcome to our channel and welcome to week 10 of renovations here at the Great Cottage. This will be the final week of renovations. So we still have a few projects to do here at the cottage. We have to finish the kitchen cabinets and some other things in the kitchen along with the addition of the breakfast nook. But that will be something that we'll work on later, and I will be sure to post regular updates as we finish those. But for now, this is what we got done this week. So without further ado, let's get to renovating.
Ooh-ah.
Well, it has been a crazy busy last 10 weeks, but it is so nice to get to call this house a home. So this week we worked on finishing up some of the little details, such as reinstalling the baseboards in the kitchen and trimming out part of the doorway between the living room and the kitchen. Obie cut down some boards on the table saw and nailed them up, and then I painted them white. We also finished installing the trim in the bathroom. Because the original baseboards in the bathroom got broken when we were pulling them out, we had to make new trim using wood. So I had shared a couple weeks ago that my mom had painted the gas furnace that was in the living room. She used a high heat spray paint to paint it black. Well, this week my mom decided to build a fireplace mantle around the gas furnace. Using scrap wood that we had on hand and lots of creativity, she designed and built this all by herself. She did an amazing job, and I cannot believe how awesome the mantle looks. The gas furnace was once an eyesore, and now it is a statement piece of the living room.
so much for watching this video. If you are not already a subscriber, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below, and we will see you guys next time.
People wore out on this.
People are getting tired.
These guys wore out on this renovation.
I think so.
Maybe we should do something new, like mowing grass. Perfect. The art of perfecting your grass mowing is extremely important, people.
You don't even mow your grass.
No, my mother-in-law does. Well, last time anyway.
And the time before that?
My wife did.
No, your father-in-law did. And the time before that?
My wife did.
And the time before that?
My wife did.
And the time before that?
I don't know what happened then. Probably my wife.